Okay, well, I got to another new screen, and this is just whether I want to opt out and survey stuff. I can do that at another time if I can get everything running, but yeah, looks like I got a little bit further than before. I tried to load a RISC-OS, but I think I encountered a bug yesterday, and I had to press the escape or something. But for that to use internet, I need to get a USB adapter for Ethernet since it doesn't support Wi-Fi. But I did find out that I can use Ethernet on it. It's got a nice interface, but I think I'll try that some other time. But yeah, I think DietPi is overall pretty nice in terms of speed for a Raspberry Pi. Let's see here. Let's see where it takes it now. Initial. Hopefully it's not going through this whole process again. Oh, it's got the date right. I set up the Wi-Fi a couple restarts ago. I'll restart this in a minute. I mean, I might just turn it off since this can take a while.